Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to share 6 detailed steps to make your hair oiling more effective. These steps can help with hair fall and other hair problems. Let's get started. So guys, first step is start by choosing a high quality hair oil. I am using my own homemade hair oil which I find very effective. If you have interested in making it for yourself, you can find the recipe video link in the description box. Second step is warming the oil helps it penetrate your hair and scalp more effectively. I am putting the oil for 10 seconds in my microwave. Make sure the oil is warm, not hot, to avoid burning your scalp. Guys, next step is always apply oil to wet hairs. I use my homemade hair toner to damp my hairs, but you can simply use water. Wet hair helps lock in moisturizer, making the oil more effective. Spray or sprinkle water. I'm using my toner. It is for hair fall and hair regrowth problems, and it is very effective for my hairs. So guys, fourth step is apply oil with fingers. Use your 3 fingers, index, middle and ring finger. So guys, gently massage the oil into your roots using small circular motions. Make sure to cover your entire scalp. Then apply oil to the length of your hairs, focusing on the ends because the ends of the hairs are mostly dried and damaged. Don't worry if you see some hair shedding during this process. It's normal, especially for the thin hairs. Next step is massage your scalp. A good scalp massage helps improve blood circulation, which can promote hair growth. Use your fingertips to massage your scalp in circular motions for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you have any scalp massager, you can use the scalp massager. After oiling and massaging, wrap your head with a hot towel. To prepare the hot towel, wet it thoroughly and heat it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Be careful when you take it out as it will be hot. Wrap the towel around your head and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. The heat helps open the pores and helps the oil to penetrate deeper into the scalp. After this, leave the oil into your head for 1 to 2 hours for maximum benefits. Wash it out with a good shampoo. After using shampoo, apply conditioner to the length of your hairs to lock in moisturizer. After following these steps, you should notice your hair looking healthier and more volumized. Even though some ends might be rough due to previous damages, the new hair growth should be stronger and healthy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.